Hey everyone, welcome to Workeloo. Today we're diving into the products feature in your dashboard, a powerful tool that lets you manage your product catalog, track sales performance with visual graphs, and streamline your payment process by sending direct payment links to clients. Whether you're offering software services or physical products, this feature will transform how you manage your business offerings. Once you've completed your company setup and you're in your main dashboard, you'll see various options available to you. Look for the Products column. It's prominently displayed in your dashboard navigation. Simply click on the Products section to access all the product management capabilities. The interface is clean and intuitive, making it easy to get started right away. Let me show you exactly how this works. In the Products section, you'll immediately see a simple yet powerful graph that monitors your product sales performance. This gives you instant visibility into which products are performing well and which might need attention. Now, let's add a product. Click the Add Product button and you'll see several essential fields to fill out. First, enter the product name. For example, since I'm running a software technology company, I'll add Web Development as my first product. Next, set your pricing. Be specific about your rates, whether it's a fixed price or hourly rate. Then select the product category. This helps organize your offerings and makes them easier to find later. The description field is crucial. Provide clear details about what your service includes. For web development, I might write full stack web development, including responsive design, database integration, and deployment. Finally, add your stock availability. Even for services, this helps you manage capacity. You might set it to the number of projects you can handle simultaneously. Let me demonstrate by adding 3 products for my software company. Web development at $9,999, social media marketing at $2,799, and cybersecurity consulting at $12,999. Each has its own category, detailed description, and stock level. Here's where it gets really powerful. As the admin, I have complete control over product distribution. I can assign any product to any customer simply by entering their email address. Once I do that, Workeloo automatically generates and sends a payment link directly to the client's email. This eliminates the back and forth of manual invoicing and makes the purchase process seamless for both you and your customers. Keep your product descriptions detailed but concise. Clients should understand exactly what they're getting. Update your stock levels regularly to avoid overselling, and use clear, professional product names that your clients will easily recognize. Always double-check email addresses before sending payment links to ensure smooth transactions. If payment links aren't reaching clients, first verify the email address is correct and check their spam folder. Make sure your product pricing doesn't have any formatting errors. Use numbers only without currency symbols, as the system handles formatting automatically. If the sales graph isn't updating, refresh your browser or check that your products are properly categorized. For stock management, remember that setting stock to 0 will automatically mark the product as unavailable to new customers. The Products feature in Workeloo streamlines your entire product management process from catalog creation to payment collection. It's designed to save you time while providing the insights you need to grow your business. Start adding your products today and experience how much easier managing your offerings can be. That's a wrap on the Products feature. Like this video if it helped you. Subscribe for more Workeloo tutorials, and let us know in the comments what feature you'd like us to cover next. Thanks for watching, and happy selling with Workeloo.